Have an issue with your PHP memory limit? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to solve that issue. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the video. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. So you can see I'm actually logged into my dashboard. So what I'm going to do, just navigate to services and select the service you actually have. Then I'm going to log into cPanel. So once you log into cPanel, you're going to just quickly search for, you can just scroll down to where you have your PHP Init. You can see this is where we're actually going to just search. You can search for it directly, or you can just scroll down and click on this PHP Init editor. So I'm going to click on PHP Init editor. So I'm going to now select the one I actually want, and let me say I'm going to select the root directory. I'm going to also do it for the particular domain I want to make use of also. So what I'm going to do is just to come to scroll down. You can see memory limit. You can see your memory limit. So you can just increase it to the size you want to increase it to. So once you do that, you just scroll down and click on apply changes. Just click on apply changes, and once you do that, that's all you for that. So I'm going to also do it to this other one, to the main domain. You come to memory limit and going to click on add increase in memory limit. Then I'm going to click on apply. Once you've done that, that will actually solve your problem. So I believe this might have solved your issue. And if you are still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please, I beg you to please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. Until next time, bye for now.